Hello friends, how are you all? Did you know that a bird costs more than 2 Rolls-Royces? Do you know that a bird costs more than an video C-Class Mercedes? The beauty of a bird has conquered the whole world. Yes, friends, today's video will discuss about such strange and unknown birds. So let's start today's video. Number 1 is the Atlantic puffin. Puffins are small alcids of 3 species of fraticular birds. They are pelagic seabirds that feed primarily by diving into the water. They breed in large colonies on coastal cliffs or coastal islands, nesting in crevices in rocks or burrows in mud. Found in the North Pacific Ocean. The Atlantic puffin is found in the North Atlantic Ocean. The scientific name of this bird is fraticular. The Atlantic puffin weighs 10.9 to 19.4 ounces and is 10.2 to 11.4 inches in length. Atlantic puffins eat small fish about 2 to 6 inches long, mainly sandlins, sprat, capelin, herring, hake, and cod. During the breeding season, they forage in shallow waters near breeding colonies, usually not moving more than about 10 miles from shore. Puffins are hunted for eggs, feathers and meat. The Atlantic puffin is part of the national diet of Iceland, where the species has no legal protection. Puffins are hunted by a technique called sky fishing. In 2019, zoologists observed puffins in 2 separate geographical locations using sticks to scratch themselves, suggesting that seabirds have a basic ability to use tools. In second place is the Hyacinth Macaw. Hyacinth Macaw, a parrot of Central and Eastern South America. This bird is longer than any other species of parrot. It is the largest macaw and the largest flying parrot species. New Zealand's flying kakapo weighs up to 3.5 kilograms. This bird is the largest parrot in the world. The Hyacinth Macaw is 1 meter long from the tip of the tail to the top of the head and weighs 1.2 to 1.7 kilograms. This bird has a very large wingspan of about 38.8 to 42.5 centimeters. Its plumage is entirely blue, lighter above. The neck feathers of this bird can sometimes be slightly gray. The ring around the parrot's eyes and the area just below the beak is a strong, vibrant yellow. Nesting occurs between July and December, in tree hollows or cliff faces, depending on the habitat. This bird is bright blue in color, the largest macaw species. This bird is one of the pair costs around 18 lakh rupees, a little less than a C-Class Mercedes. The third number is racing pigeon. Pigeon racing is the sport of releasing specially trained homing pigeons. Also called male pigeon or messenger pigeon, it is a variety of domestic pigeon. The scientific name of this bird is Columba livia domestica. 32 to 37 centimeters long. 64 to 72 centimeters wingspan. Dark bluish-gray head. Neck and chest with glossy greenish and reddish-purple iridescence around the neck and wing feathers. Pigeons should enjoy some combination of wheat, cracked corn, sunflower seeds, sorghum and millet. This bird set a new world record for the fastest racing pigeon flight in the Netherlands 60 years later in 2019. Flying a distance of 239 kilometers at a speed of more than 143.262 kilometers per hour. Due to this ability, domesticated pigeons were used to carry messages as messenger pigeons. When used in the postal service, they are commonly called pigeon post or war pigeons during wartime. What is surprising is the price of this bird. In general, the price of this bird is not very high. But at an auction in Belgium, this bird was sold at an unbelievable price. The price of which will raise your eyes. A female pigeon costs 13 crores and above. Black Geiselbrecht, a businessman in China, bought this bird. The most valuable thing of this bird is its eyes. The fourth number is wood duck bird. The wood duck or Carolina duck is a species of perching duck found in North America. This bird is one of the most colorful waterfowl in North America. Males are iridescent chestnut and green. The scientific name of this bird is X-sponsor. This bird is a medium-sized perching duck. The length of a typical adult bird is 47 to 54 centimeters. The wingspan of this bird is 66 to 73 centimeters. The weight of this duck is from 454 to 862 grams. The maximum observed ground speed of a wood duck was 12 feet per second or 8.2 miles per hour. In 2013, the Royal Canadian Mint issued 2 coins commemorating the wood duck. Females usually lay 7 to 15 whitish eggs that incubate for an average of 30 days. The diet of this bird consists of seeds, nuts and plant material. Wood ducks also feed on aquatic and terrestrial invertebrates. These birds mate in late winter and begin breeding in early spring. Flying through the wood is comfortable. Their broad tails and short, broad wings help them maneuver. At number 5 is the keel-billed toucan. This bird is also known as sulphur-breasted toucan or rainbow-billed toucan, a colorful Latin American member of the toucan family. It is the national bird of Belize. This bird is found in tropical forests from southern Mexico to Colombia. It is an omnivorous forest bird that eats fruits, seeds, insects, invertebrates, lizards, snakes, and small birds and their eggs. The length of this bird is about 42 to 55 centimeters, 17 to 22 in. This bird's large and colorful bill averages about 12 to 15 centimeters, 4.7 to 5.9 in, about 1/3 of its length. It usually weighs 380 to 500 grams. Keel-billed toucans have zygodactyl feet, or toes facing in different directions, 2 toes facing forward and 2 facing backward. Since toucans spend a large part of their time in trees, it helps the birds to stay on tree branches and jump from one branch to another. These birds are very social birds, rarely seen alone. They fly through the lowland rainforest in small flocks of about 6 to 12 individuals. Keel-billed toucans are very social birds, rarely seen alone. The surprising thing about these birds is their price. A pair of birds will cost around 15 rupees minus 18 lakh, said a bird lover. If you like to watch such mystery, thrilling, uncommon video, then subscribe this channel now. Click the bell icon next to it. Stay healthy. Thanks.